If you're confused about which network to select while withdrawing USDT from the BingX exchange, or you don't know how to choose the correct network while sending funds to another exchange or wallet, then this guide is for you. The moment you search for USDT, you'll see multiple network options, and that's where most beginners get confused about which one is correct and which one could cause problems. If you accidentally choose the wrong network, your funds can be permanently lost. So in this video, I'm going to explain step by step how you can safely send USDT from BingX to any wallet or crypto exchange, and what important things you must always keep in mind. Also, through this video, there's a $500 worth voucher giveaway going on that you can use for futures trading. If you want to participate, simply like the video, subscribe to the channel, create your BingX account using the link in the description, complete your KYC, and leave a comment sharing your thoughts. Randomly, 5 users will be selected, and the vouchers will be delivered within 48 hours. Now, let's come back to the main topic. First of all, open the BingX mobile application. Once the app opens, you'll see the Assets option at the bottom. Click on it. Then select any section like Overview, Fund, or Spot. It doesn't really matter. After that, click on the Withdraw option. As soon as you click Withdraw, you'll see all the tokens available in your wallet that can currently be withdrawn. Since we want to send USDT, simply select USDT and then choose the on-chain withdraw option. Now, if you want to deposit the funds into another exchange, open that exchange's app first. Go to the Assets section and click on